going to sow some peas, which I'm going to sow into these modules. This makes it easier to transplant them later into the garden without disturbing the roots too much. I'm going to fill them with a multi-purpose potting compost, mixed in with some sand for the drainage. I'm placing one pea in a module. And then I'm going to push them in. And that's it. The only thing I have to do now is to give them some water. To continue the harvesting period, I will sow another batch of peas in 2 weeks' time.